Sri Gurubhyo Namaha children. Welcome to our online class. Can you guess? Can you see the picture from a small baby to a adult? There is a change in the human body. Can you guess what lesson we are going to take? Yeah, yes, changes around us. Class 6, subject science, changes around us. Part 1 we are going to discuss. So we have many changes around us. Even human body can change from the childhood to an adult and old people. Then milk change into a curd. So we have many changes. Let us see the types of changes in this lesson. Introduction. Changes. Types of changes. Reversible changes. Irreversible changes. Let us see what is reversible changes. Changes that can be reversed are called reversible changes. For example, the things can be come to the original position or it reverse back. That is reversible changes. For the simple example, I can take a paper and I will fold the paper now. So now it is a small size of paper. Again, I can able to remove, unfold this paper to make a big size. So this is a reversible change. Changes can occur everywhere and any time. Changes differ from each other, and example of changes are melting of ice, burning of paper, etc. Some changes can be reversible, some changes cannot be reversible. And different types of changes are we are going to discuss reversible, irreversible, physical change, and chemical change. State of matter. A simple example for you reversible change. Take a water and pour some water in the container and keep it in the freezer. And you can observe that ice tubes will be getting. Again, if you take the ice tubes outside for a few minutes, you can get a melting of ice and you can get a water. Now it is in a liquid state. If you heat the water, automatically it becomes water vapor. So there is a water in three states we have. There are three states of matter or liquid, solid, and gas. Let us see some example for reversible change and melting of ice. So ice, when you keep in the refrigerator freezer, you will be getting a ice cubes. So if you keep outside, you will get a water. It melts and get a water liquid form. And again, if you keep in the freezer, you will get a ice tube. So it is a reversible change. Melting of ice. Let us see some example for reversible changes. Ice cream. When you get a ice cream, automatically it melts, and if you keep in the freezer, it become in solid state. Melting of chocolate and melting of butter is an example for reversible change. A reversible change is a change that can be undone or reversed. A reversible change might change have a material looks or feel, but it does not create a new material. And it is a reversible melting of chocolate is a reversible change. For example, melted chocolate can be changed back into a solid chocolate. by cooling. By keeping in a freezer, you can get again a solid chocolate. Freezing is an example of an reversible change. For example, we can freeze a juice to ice lollies. Again, ice lollies to juice. So water, when you keep freezer, you get a ice tube. Again, if you eat or it melt and get a water. It is a example for reversible change. Some example for reversible change are melting of ice, boiling of water. After boiling of water, if you close the plate on that, you will get the water droplets. Water vapor become water droplets. Melting of wax, stretching of rubber band, and stretching of spring, ironing of cloths, folding of paper. These are the example for reversible changes. So, solid, liquid, gas. Let us see what is irreversible changes. Changes that can be reversed, that cannot be reversed, are called irreversible changes. Irreversible changes are permanent changes that cannot go back to the original position. For example, slapping of plant slowly can grow and become a big tree. And this plant cannot come to the small plant. And germination of seed. From the seeds, you can see a small plant can grow. Blooming of flowers, ripening of fruits, burning of paper, burning of wood. So after burning, you will get only ash and black color hash. And from the black color hash, you cannot get it back that paper. And this is the example for irreversible changes. Cooking of egg. Once if it is break, so after cooking, you cannot get it the original egg. And changing of milk into curd. Changing of milk into curd. Cooking food. You cannot get back the original vegetables after cooking. Let us see the difference between reversible and irreversible changes. Boiling of water is a reversible change. Cooking of food is a irreversible change. And dissolution of sugar in water. So after solution the sugar in water, when you boil, you will get water will evaporate and sugar content will be remain in the vessel. So it is a reversible change. Burning of wood, irreversible change. Only a black color coal you will get, not a wood. Melting of ice tubes is a reversible change. Ripening of fruits, irreversible change. Melting of butter, you can again keep in the freezer, make a solid state. Chopping of wood is a irreversible change. So let us see some example and recall what is reversible and irreversible changes. Let us write reversible for R, irreversible for I. Okay. Look at the items below and information and write reversible or irreversible. Melting of ice tube. Yes, it is a reversible change. Frying of egg. Yes, it is a irreversible change. Freezing of water, reversible change. Burning of piece of paper, you'll get only hash, not again paper. It is a irreversible change. Melting ice cream, it is a reversible change. Dissolving a salt in water is a reversible change. Melting of chocolate, is a reversible change. Melting of wax, reversible change. Cake mixture, the irreversible change. Let us see the other examples. Look at the picture and write reversible or irreversible changes. It is a reversible change. Once it is broke down the flower part, you cannot get it back, and it is a irreversible change. So melting of ice, reversible change. Burning of wood, irreversible change. Frying of egg, irreversible change. Clay, you can change in the different shapes and size. It is a reversible change. So this class we discussed about changes and reversible and irreversible changes. Changes that can be reversed are called reversible changes. Changes that cannot be reversed are called irreversible changes. I hope you understand. Thank you, children. We'll see you in the next class.